So on the 2013 Fit, especially when cold, like I just started it up, it sounds fairly normal. And you get the rattle here, and especially if you turn on the AC, it sounds horrible. And it's much worse cold. Here it is under the hood. You can see that this shakes. And you watch the pulley, it kicks on. We're right at 1,000 RPMs. When it goes up a little, so it might be when it drops its idle. It might just be a certain resonant frequency. Because when we pick up our idle, it's gone, and when it's lower idle, it's gone. So the belt's fairly new. See that the back's a little shiny. The ribs look pretty good. Some weird shiny spots down on the bottom. But the belt, you can still kind of read some of the information on the back. And the pulleys at the top look pretty good. AC pulley. A little bit of stuff down in the grooves, not too bad. Crank pulley doesn't look too bad. So this is with the belt completely off. And we're up over 1,000. And we're like exactly at that 1,000 RPM, and it's not making any noise. Okay, so we got the used new belt. And I cleaned the crank with a brush. It was spinning. Let's see what we got now. So no rattle. No rattle. So shift it into drive. No rattle. So if your Fit's rattling like that, try changing the belt and maybe clean the pulleys.